One of these things could leave you stranded without food, even in the middle of summer. Most cyclists come to France dreaming of small villages, cafés and quiet roads. And yes, it's really like that. But there are a few things that can catch you out, especially if you're used to riding in the UK or the US. Here are 5 things that every cyclist should know before hitting the roads in France. Helmets. You don't have to wear a helmet in France. It's recommended, but it's not obligatory. There is some rule for children where they are supposed to wear a helmet, but I've never really seen it enforced. I pretty much always wear a helmet, to be fair. It's just part of my cycling ride. Legally, you don't need one in France, but for long rides or unknown roads, it's a no-brainer. Safety first, peace of mind second, comfort third. And speaking of rules that can catch you out, riding position on the road can get tricky, especially in a group. I'm on a solo ride today, but if you are riding in a group, ride no more than 2 abreast. The legal requirement is a maximum of 2 cyclists next to each other. But one thing that surprises many visiting cyclists, boulangeries and cafés often close at the most unexpected time. I'm out on a lunchtime pootle. It's Saturday lunchtime, middle of the summer, but don't expect shops, boulangeries to be open, especially in the villages. Most places in the small towns and villages be shut for lunch, and some even take a couple of days off a week. They also shut on Sundays and Mondays. A little planning goes a long way. And what's more, even businesses in the most touristic places will sometimes take a 2-week holiday right in the middle of summer. I'm in a little village called Erevillette, just outside Caen. And as you can see, the local supermarket is closed and the local boulangerie is closed. In fact, this supermarket is closed for their annual holidays for 2 weeks. One of the biggest surprises for visitors, shops and cafes can be closed when you least expect it. Experienced riders just carry some snacks and some water just in case. It's a simple trick that keeps you riding comfortably and enjoying the day, even if everything around you is shut. And finally, whenever you can, do this. If there's a cycle path, you should probably use it. It's not obligatory, but as a gesture to other road users, I always try and use the cycle path. My theory is if we use it, they'll build more. If we don't use it, they'll start scrapping them. France has a fantastic network of dedicated cycle paths, and as an experienced cyclist, I always try and use them. Safer, less stressful, and no nasty surprises along the way. So there we go. What do you think of these? Do you know of any other quirks or rules from your cycling trips in France? Let me know in the comments below. It's always interesting to hear what surprises other cyclists. Cycling in France is one of the great joys of cycling. Quiet roads, beautiful villages, great food. If you're planning a trip, check out my 5 tips for cycling in France video, link in the description. It'll make your ride even smoother. As always, thanks for watching.